Shinshev, I'm Gaelic Ferguson, your Gaelic speech coach. Just stopping during a work day for some lunch, and I'm having some water. Uisge. What's it in? I always hear the English word Botal, uisge, Botal. It's not. It's a Gaelic word. Botal. Botal. Totally different in every sense. There's more energy at the beginning of it. It's got a more plosive Gaelic B sound. It's got a dental T in the middle. Botal. It's got a different Gaelic L at the end, a L, kind of thicker sound. Botal. And there's also, more importantly, some breathiness running through it. Botal. Botal. So there's 4 elements to that word that are different from the English word bottle of water. Botalushke. Get rid of the English sounds from your Gaelic. Subscribe to my channel to learn more.